folks, this is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily fundamental video analysis. In today's market, what we're seeing is the European markets giving up all those gains, failing to build on the momentum that we experienced on Wall Street and of course in Asia as well. Now, of course, the momentum on Wall Street was very much driven by the tech stock, and as you can see in the chart, the Nasdaq index is literally ripping to the upside once again, and the momentum is back in the Nasdaq index, and that is primarily because of the strong mega tech earnings that we've experienced last week. Again, something that we've discussed in our previous videos, but the current momentum for the tech index or for the tech stock is primarily because of what is going around TikTok and Donald Trump, how he is trying to forcing TikTok to sell its US operation to a potential bidder, which is Microsoft. Now, speaking of Microsoft, as you can see in the chart, the Microsoft stock surged well over 5% yesterday because Microsoft is the only bidder for the time being with respect to the acquisition of TikTok's US arm or its US operations. Now, the conversation is, or the rumors are, that Microsoft is prepared to pay up to $50 billion for TikTok's US operation. Now, of course, Microsoft is not a newbie when it comes to these social platforms, because Microsoft already owns LinkedIn, and it paid quite a large sum of money when it acquired LinkedIn, but it was nowhere close enough to this particular mark. But the question for investors and traders is that how do we move forward from here, and what is next for Microsoft with this potential acquisition if it happens? Because right now Trump has made it very clear to TikTok that TikTok needs to sell its operation, its US operation, by 15th of September, and if that doesn't happen, then certainly Donald Trump is going to ban TikTok's operation in the US. Now, on the back of that, Microsoft has already placed a bid, as I said, that for the $50 billion. For investors and traders, it is, as long as Microsoft can close this deal within this range of $50 billion, the shares can really continue to outperform, not only in the long term, but also in the short term. But if for some reason other potential bidders also start to step into this space, and then we start hearing from Disney, Verizon, or many other companies within the same space coming forward and placing those bids for this acquisition, then we could see a bidding war that can easily flare the price, that can easily show the current asking price, or let's just say that the current bidding price, which is at $50 billion, out of this range to a completely new territory. And that can put some pressure for Microsoft shares in the short term, but in the long term, I think the business revenue or the cocktail of its sources of income with respect to what Microsoft is achieving now can really add more value for Microsoft's business, because right now the revenue that it generates from LinkedIn in terms of total revenue for Microsoft, the LinkedIn revenue is in between 6 to 7%, which is a very, very decent portion. Now, with the acquisition of 80 million active users which are sitting on TikTok's platform on the US arm, I think that there is a huge potential for Microsoft to increase and enhance its revenue from the social platform, where it never kind of generated the numbers, because right now, like I said, it owns LinkedIn, so not something completely new, and it already has revenue coming from LinkedIn, but that revenue is nothing in comparison to what Microsoft can really achieve by having this potential acquisition of TikTok. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.